Hey everybody, Martin here, your favorite Regina realtor, and today we're going to talk about mortgage rates. The Bank of Canada raised the rate by 0.25%. Is it time to panic? Let's talk about it in this video. Right, so interest rates are rising, which is no surprise to anyone because we all knew that something had to happen to curb this inflation that's going on. I mean, house prices across Canada with an average price of 720 grand. I mean, that's crazy high. Like, that's getting out of control, honestly. So something had to happen. The Bank of Canada had to step in and make changes. We all thought that this was going to happen in January. It didn't, but definitely happened in March, and we definitely knew it was coming. So no surprises there, especially in the real estate industry. We knew it was coming. So what does that mean for the average consumer? Well, let's say you've got an average house. Well, okay, average house in Regina is about $320,000 right now, right? So you got a 2% rate with 5% down. Your payment's about $1,360. So now, if that variable rate has gone up to 2.25 with this recent change on March 1st, your payment only changes to about $1,399. So it's not a massive difference. Even if it goes up again within the next little while, I mean, they review rates every 5 weeks, so who knows? And they're talking about doing it 5 times this year. Don't mean to freak you out, but it is a possibility. But let's say it goes up again to 2.5%. You're looking at about $1,438 payment. So it's still not a massive change. Like, yeah, it's almost $100, but still, it's not the end of the world. I mean, as long as you budget for these things, you should be okay. There's no reason to jump into a crazy high rate and lock in yet. It shouldn't be. It shouldn't affect you as much as some people might say that it would. Of course, if you've got a $2 million house, well, then you probably don't have these problems if you've got a $2 million house. But anyway, looking at even a kind of a, not a worst case scenario, but a worse scenario, if rates go up to 3%, which, you know, they were, like, I've got a house right now at a 3.89 rate from 2019. So 3% is really not that bad. So a $320,000 purchase with 5% down, your payment's only $1,520. So still not the end of the world, right? I mean, if you're talking about a really low rate, your payment's $1,360, and then a really high, not a really high rate, but a higher rate by 1% at $1,520. Not the end of the world. So no time to panic, no time to lock in yet. You are going to be fine. Just, you know, keep an eye out on these things. Watch those rates because they do change. And who knows how high they're going to go. They probably can't go that high because a lot of people, not in Regina, we're still okay. Our prices are pretty low and pretty affordable. We're probably, I think we're in the top 5, if not top 3 most affordable places to live in Canada. So we're going to be fairly okay, even with crazy gas prices. But you know, some of the bigger centers might see a little bit of an adjustment in terms of sales and that sort of thing. I don't want to get into that right now, but just keep that in mind, that those kind of average numbers is kind of what we're looking at. So even the rate goes up by 1%, you're probably looking at, what is that, 1360 to 1520. It's not even $200. So you should be okay. All right. I hope all that makes sense. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, give me a shout. Martin at reginaexperts.ca is my email. 306-527-0500 is my phone number. All the information to contact me is down below, and I love to hear from you. So feel free to ask anything you want. Okay. I'll talk to you soon, and have a great day. Cheers.